Ever been in a pinch and needed cash fast? You hit that withdraw button on pocketGuard, but now you're tapping your foot, wondering, when will this money actually hit my account? We all know the feeling. You're budgeting, saving, and finally, that instant withdraw button is looking mighty tempting. But let's be real, instant can sometimes feel like a lifetime in the world of finance. So, today, we're diving deep into the murky waters of pocketGuard withdrawal speeds. I'm going to break down the factors that influence how long it takes to see that sweet cash in your bank account. First things first, what even is pocketGuard? For those unfamiliar, pocketGuard is a popular budgeting app that helps you track your spending, set financial goals, and even automate savings. One of its key features is the ability to withdraw funds from your linked accounts, a super convenient way to access your cash when you need it. Now, let's talk about those withdrawal speeds. The instant illusion. pocketGuard often boasts instant withdrawals. But here's the catch. Instant usually means the funds are transferred to your linked bank account almost immediately. However, how long it takes for that money to actually become available for you to use depends on several factors. The bank factor. Your bank plays a huge role. Some banks process transactions faster than others. Some may even have same-day availability, while others might take a business day or two. Withdrawal method. The method you choose for withdrawal can also impact the speed. Asterisk bank transfers, generally the most common and often take 1 to 3 business days. Asterisk debit cards can provide faster access, but availability can vary depending on your bank and card. pocketGuard's processing time. pocketGuard itself has a role to play. They need to process your withdrawal request, which usually happens quite quickly. However, there can be occasional delays due to system maintenance or unexpected issues. Weekend withdrawals. If you initiate a withdrawal on a weekend or holiday, it's likely to be processed on the next business day. This can significantly impact how quickly you receive your funds. Check with your bank, inquire about their typical processing times for incoming transfers. Choose the fastest withdrawal method. If you need the money quickly, consider using a debit card or a bank that offers faster processing. Initiate withdrawals during business hours, avoid weekends and holidays for faster processing. Monitor your transaction history. Keep an eye on your bank and pocketGuard accounts to track the progress of your withdrawal. Always double-check the specific terms and conditions related to withdrawals within the pocketGuard app. These terms can change, so it's crucial to stay informed. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.